garbage disposal is not working, so I have to replace it. Then go check your disposal, garbage disposal, what number it is number 25. So you have to turn off the number 25. You have to turn it off. Basement, and make sure you turn on the disposal breaker. The number is number 25. You have to turn it back on. You have to try it first. Make sure there's no leak. Just turn on the water and make sure no leak. And then you have to turn it on if it is working. And right now, yes, it's working and no leak. That's how you replace the garbage disposal. Thank you guys for watching.